in terms of the education. If you permit me to go back in pandemic time, three, four things have emerged. First thing is the fear. People were continuously living under the extreme fear, fear of life, fear of losing job, fear of uncertainty was prevailing everywhere. In that circumstances, the fear was the biggest challenge of the pandemic. Second thing was the emotional healing. There was no source, no psychologist, no proper doctors, medical facilities, educationists who could heal the emotions of the people who lost their near and dear. There was no sort of uh, emotional helpline either from any NGO or from the government side. Even the children were deprived of the proper advice from any corner. This was the second challenge. And third challenge, as Dr. Pathak discussed, many children pass their examination without taking the examination. I don't support the examination. I am against the testing process. I support the assessment. But still, once we are not testing, we are not assessing the children, we are creating a knowledge gap. And knowledge gap is not temporary. It is the gap which has been induced in the generation, in the contemporary generation. आज की जो पीढ़ी है उसके अंदर वो नॉलेज गैप प्रवेश कर गया है. अब वो नॉलेज गैप किस रूप में आगे परिणित होगा, वही बच्चे जब ग्रेजुएशन में जाएंगे, प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज में जाएंगे, फंडामेंटल इंफॉर्मेशन के बिना जाएंगे, तो आप कल्पना कीजिए कि उन बच्चों का ये जो हमारा पूरा जनरेशन का जो नॉलेज गैप है, कहीं ऐसा ना हो एक नॉलेज गैप नेशनल प्रॉब्लम बन जाए. और ये पेंडेमिक का ये कोई वही भय का हिस्सा है. सिर्फ भय के कारण हम ये कहेंगे कि लोगों को ये भय था कि हम कहीं नॉलेज के एस्पेक्ट में पिछड़ ना जाए, तो हमने एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग को तो छोड़ दिया. हम सिर्फ कंटेंट को कवर करने की बात करने लगे. चाहे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो, कंटेंट को रिड्यूस किया गया और फिर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से बच्चों को इंड्यूस किया गया कि आप इससे अपना एटलीस्ट सीख लीजिए. और द मोमेंट बच्चों को जब पता लगा कि अब एग्जाम नहीं होने हैं, तो जिस तरीके का निराशा भाव आया बच्चों के अंदर शिक्षा को लेके, वो आज तक भी पटा नहीं है. बच्चे जो हैं दे आर इन लिविंग इन कंफ्यूजन कि वेदर द एग्जामिनेशन विल बी हेल्ड इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर और नॉट, वेदर द पेंडेमिक विल रिटर्न और नॉट. So still the continuous fear is persisting. And as you talk about the Delhi education perceived these threats very early. We perceived the fear. So to remove the fear, we especially instructed the principals and teachers of the school that they have to speak to every child once in a week. And this experiment was extremely successful. Once the children were connected with us, there was an emotional healing automatically. There was a confidence building that somebody is standing with me, the government is with me, the school is with me. Schools takes the responsibility for the teaching of the students. Schools takes the responsibility to nurture value system during this pandemic time. So this was the thing which we could do. The second thing in Delhi education, what we could do, we had a centralized classes, centralized videos with the most intelligent teachers in the Directorate of Education. We did not rely upon the individual teachers. We performed we just produced the video library and the information library, and we disseminated the same information among all the students through the links. And those links are still available for all Pan India students. So these were some of the things to remove the fear of the knowledge and fear of the life and fear of missing near and dear. We activated the DCPCR helpline. It was activated 24 hours with the help of NCPCR. And every child could call us, and we were reaching within next 20 minutes to the child. So these were some of the initiatives which were taken collectively by the Delhi government and central government during the pandemic time. And if you say that how was the other challenges as far as the financial challenges are concerned, that we people have given ample opportunity for the guest teachers and other teachers who were on contract, that we are not going to remove you. We gave this confidence so that they are not taken away from the mainstream of teaching learning. These were some of the initiatives, and these were very much successful in terms of Delhi, as you asked me. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Very nicely you have articulated 2-3 points. The emotional fear, and then emotional healing was very important points actually. And I'm so happy to see and note that how Delhi government provided this support at this critical juncture. And Delhi government actually has been doing exceptional work in the field of education. Now I'll come to our third speaker, Abhishek Kumar Jadhav sir, chairman of Griffins International School. Sir, आपके हिसाब से प्राइवेट सेक्टर तो डेफिनेटली बहुत तरीके से, जैसे